Badgerland mini trucks. It's a 1996 Daihatsu Hijet 4x4. Of course, Daihatsu is manufactured by Toyota. It's our video walk-around presentation. This truck has stage 1 2-inch lift installed with Carlisle All-Trails and Vision Bruiser black wheels, which are flat. Looking down the side of the vehicle. Walk around in the back. This truck has a very simple roll-on bed liner. It was a one-stage application, not done by us. Nice clean mid-90s work truck. And the interior, say a 5-speed transmission, high-low range. And this truck, as indicated on the odometer, has 46,535 kilometers. Push-button 4-wheel drive. And our standard heating controls, defroster, and authentic Japanese AM radio. No damage to the interior of this truck. Seats are in real nice shape. Truck runs good. Any questions? Contact us, Badgerland Mini Trucks. www.badgerlandminitrucks.com.